Guys, what is up? Today we are going to be rebuilding the LA Lakers in the NBA 2K24 that is on our iPhone, but I'm going to be doing it on my computer. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, let's get started. Alright, guys, so first, obviously, what I got to do is I obviously got to go to the general manager, do some trade finder, see what I can get, build my roster like I'm supposed to. Obviously, we got to get rid of D'Lo. I mean, let's be honest, he ain't that good anyway, so got to get rid of him. Ooh, James Harden. That looks like a pretty good trade, not going to lie. Mark Williams, no. Larry Markkinen, that's a good one right there. That one I'd be willing to do. I don't know. I'm going to be honest, guys. When I was looking at this, I was thinking about doing the James Harden one, but he's really not that consistent as he used to be, so it's really not in my best interest to get him. Michael Porter Jr. is just overpaid. Dylan Brooks is just a hothead, and Draymond Green is not worth it. So, yeah. Still got to get rid of D'Angelo Russell. Let's get rid of Country Kobe, too, as much as it pains me to say. Oh, that's a pretty good trade right there, though. Kobe White and Lonzo Ball. Mark Williams and Mikal Bridges isn't bad. Jamal Murray, I might have to. That one's probably going to be the one I do. I don't know. That one's hard. I'm going to have to look at the rest, but that's going to probably be the one I do. Yeah, that's just. I don't know. Yeah, I might have to do that one, guys. I mean, the Chicago Bulls one is good. It's just Lonzo Ball is inconsistent, like D'Angelo Russell, and Kobe White really isn't that much better than Austin Reeves, honestly. So it's really not that big of a benefit. But Jamal Murray would definitely get me pretty far. I mean, look, he was Jokic's second man when they won the championship, so maybe he can be LeBron's number 2, take over AD spot, You know what I mean? I really want to get rid of LeBron, guys. Oh, I freaking hate him, bro. It's not that he's a bad player. It's just I feel like he's a bad person with his judgment. I just think he's not considered the GOAT. Me personally, I'm a Michael Jordan fan. Michael Jordan all the way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this Jamal Murray, y'all. Yep, done deal there. Guess I just need some more like role players. Gotta get rid of Gabe Vincent, guys. He was good on the Miami Heat, but he just hasn't been the same since. Marcus Smart isn't bad. Mikal Bridges isn't bad. I don't know, guys. I need some more role players, Draymond, that's not bad. Nope, that one's it. Tyus Jones and Marvin Bagley. I'm gonna have to do that one. That one's gonna be the one I end up doing. Draymond's good and all, but yeah, like I don't know. Maybe I'll look at the rest. I don't know. That Tyus Jones though. Tyus Jones is calling my name right now. Yeah, he's a less overall than Rui Hachimura, but Tyus Jones is a really freaking good point guard. Put him at point. Put like Jamal Murray at shooting guard or something. I don't know. That'd be a really good starting four with LeBron, AD, Jamal Murray, and Tyus Jones. I mean, Marcus Smart isn't bad. It's just he's not been the same since leaving the Celtics. Me personally, I thought it was a good decision because I got Kristaps Porzingis out of that. But good lord, that must have been hard for them to get rid of. All right, more role players. Let's see what. No, I can't trade Anthony Davis. LeBron? Nope. Guys, last time I tried to do one of these, I tried to get rid of LeBron, and they let me trade him for like De'Aaron Fox. Dude, I thought I was gonna win the whole chip and be able to put it on YouTube for a rebuild video. I freaking lost to OKC before the finals. Take me off. Ooh, Andre Drummond for those two. I might have to do the Andre Drummond. Nikola Jovic on the Miami Heat isn't bad though. I don't know, y'all. I think Andre Drummond's the best deal so far. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to go with the freaking Andre Drummond trade. What? Let's do it. Let's do it. Andre Drummond's a good backup center. Let's look. Ooh. Ooh, Jose Alvarado. I like that trade. I might have to do the Jose Alvarado. He's a really good backup point guard. I like him. You all might not, but I think he's a really good backup point guard, me personally. Yeah, Jose Alvarado. That one's definitely it. Gotta get rid of Max Christie. He is not that good, to be honest. I mean, got good looks, but he ain't that good of a player. Ooh, Sam Houston's a really good freaking three-point shooter. If there's one thing that the Lakers need now, it's some good sharpshooters and good backup defense. Because I'm telling you, freaking Gabe Vincent and Austin Reeves ain't going to cut it. I might have to do another Celtics trade. Might have to get Luke Cornett. Good center. Can't trade LeBron, of course. Somehow they won't let me. Gosh, dang it, bro. They won't even let me trade Anthony Davis and LeBron together. What the freak, man? Oh, Peyton Pritchard. That's a done deal right there. Really good three-pointer. I'll make sure, like, none of the other ones are better, but yeah, I'm just going to have to, like, Peyton Pritchard is a freaking sharpshooter. Take down the sharpshooters on the Celtics. All right, guys. I'm going to simulate through the season. It is not looking good right now. Y'all, like, yes, it's like we've only played, 10 games, but still, we're in negatives right now. Actually, we're in the positives now, but good Lord, we're cooking. That changed real quick from sucking to cooking. Good Lord. It's a pretty good start, not going to lie. Not doing that trade. Bro, stop trying to get my good players. No, bro. James Harden, freak that. Freak that, man. Steph, was that? No, that's not Steph Curry. I'm about to have a baby there if they offered Steph Curry. That would have been a done deal. No, not doing that. Not doing that either. Is that Giannis? Oh, mother fricker, I almost had a baby again. Good Lord. Freaking brothers. I don't mind that trade, but I'm still not going to do it because I'm cooking right now. We're freaking cooking. We're freaking cooking, dude. Y'all, we're cooking. We might be in the number 1 seed. Freak. Good Lord. Let's see if we win these last 4 games. 57-25 is crazy. When what world is Trae Young winning MVP? What kind of crack are these people on? What the frick? Like, how is Giannis Defensive Player of the Year, dude? That's actually crazy. Coach of the Year is the coach of the Hawks. Nah, that's crazy. My coach would be Coach of the Year, man. We made it. Bro. In what world is Trae Young making first team All-NBA, dude? LeBron isn't even on that team. That's actually crazy. Still, hit LeBron, but that's still kind of crazy. Bro, like, what? This is how you know half the crap on this 2K isn't real. Dude, like, okay, I gotta admit, all defensive first team's pretty good, actually. Alex Christian deserves that. All rookie first team. No, all offensive second team. That's all offensive second team. That's all offensive first team. My bad. I thought it was defensive. We the number 1 seed going against Phoenix. We up? We up 2-0? We up 3-0? Can we sweep? Can we sweep? Bro, if we don't sweep them, bro, if they let the freaking, no, I'm not gonna play that. If they like the Suns when it, bro, there we go. That's how there we go. Dude. Alright, we're still gonna get this. Yeah, 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Let's go. Can we sweep? Can we sweep? Let's go. We did a full sweep, guys. Pelicans suck, bro. Pelicans freaking suck. Oh, okay, see, we're cooked. We're freaking cooked. 1-0, 2-0. Ain't no freaking, of course. Nah, it's tied. We're cooked. 3-2. 4-2, let's go. We're in the finals. Let's go. Okay, in what world is the 8th seed Philadelphia 76ers making the freaking playoffs, the finals? Like, what the frick? No way we actually sweep them. Okay. 3-1. 4, let's go. We just won. Alright, guys, hope you liked the video. LeBron James, of course, getting an MVP. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for weekly updates on your favorite NBA teams, players, maybe even some video game videos. And click the notification bells to get automatic notifications for when we upload brand new videos. And we'll see you guys later.